The Bull and the Mouse. There once was a bull who loved to boast that it was the strongest and the toughest animal in the forest, and liked to bully the smaller animals. One day, while it was sleeping, a small mouse, who had once been picked on by the bull, snuck up on the bull and bit it hard on the tail. The bull woke up immediately, and the mouse hid in a small hole near the bull. The bull tried as hard as it could to find the mouse, but couldn't, and frustrated, it decided to go back to sleep. After a short while, the same mouse snuck out of its hiding place and bit the bull hard on the ear. The mouse then ran and hid again. The bull was very angry and began to scratch at the ground fiercely until its horn broke. Even though its horn was broken, the bull continued to try to find the mouse and hurt it. But the bull eventually accepted it had lost to the small mouse and walked away in shame. The strongest person will not always necessarily be the winner.